What's up, y'all? We are. There's a recording thing right here. We are recording. We are running a food truck today. Why are the ingredients so far away? What the fuck? Wait. Why is this being so confusing? Should I like walk? I think I'm just have to restart my game. Okay. Welcome to my food truck. What do you want? There's a rat in the corner. What the fuck? You want this rat? No, you can just go back to your spot, buddy. Okay. What the fuck? It's my food truck. What do you want? Is that what you want? Okay. How do I make a pizza? Pizza recipe. The tomatoes and the... This is moldy. These are moldy. These have mold on them. Okay. How do I do this? Am I like stupid or something? Very stupid. Do this. We put this on the cutting board. I need a knife now. Do I have like a normal knife? Guess not. Come here. Normal knife. Alright. They call me Gordon Ramsay. Oh, and what now? Now we... There's dough? Oh my god, I am way too stupid to be playing this. This blender... How do you... Figured it out. Okay, now we're cooking. Alright, now we put a tomato into blender. Now we're cooking, chat. Now we're cooking. Okay, now I need... Okay, we don't need this. Okay, but that's besides the point. Get your pizza ready, sir. To make the pizza, we gotta put it on the thing and then just beat it a little bit. Sir, thank you for being patient with me. Please leave like a 5-star review on Yelp or something, because this was my grandma's business. She's dead now. Oh, I can like actually do like the... Got it. Now what? What the fuck? Do we just like pour the sauce on? Oh, that's definitely how pizza works. Now we put it in the oven. Just throw it in there. I burnt my finger the other week. That's not something smart to do. Actually, wait, I think I gotta take you out first. Wait, come out the oven. Come out of the oven. You want cheese and fish on your pizza? Who the fuck puts fish on their pizza? Are you British? How do I do this? Okay. Oh. That's not coming off. Alright, you get... Now you want fish? Okay. Is it gonna stick? Sir, look, listen. Dude, listen, bud. I'm just as confused as you are. Do you just want the raw fish? Oh my god. I can't rip the pizza. I actually have to make it. Yeah, that sucks. How do I prepare a fish? Do I have to like chop up the fish or something? Eat it with a hammer? That was definitely not what I was supposed to do. Look, listen. What the fuck? Oh, that scared me. Where's my knife? There it is. It's a mess. First day of business and I'm already fucking up. That's awesome. Give me the fishy here. Come here, fishy. Will it stick now? Okay. Now we put it in the oven. Look, listen. They call me Gordon Ramsay, okay? I hope you love your pizza. I got everything you want on it. Hope you love it. Is it cooked now? It's green. That's... Oh, Guess it's cooked. Yeah. Here's your pizza. Thank you. I'm glad you like it. The ingredients were very moldy. What the fuck is that? Alright, man, let me clean up a little bit around here. I will be with you and your pizza in a minute. Okay. First of all, what the hell is that? So that's not tomato sauce. What the hell is that? Can I can't move. What is that? I'm so confused. What is that? Am I missing something? Hello? Is it cockroach? Do you want cockroach? Do you want cockroach on your pizza? Can I have a cockroach, please? Give me my cockroach. Give me a cockroach. Give me it. Give me it. Yes. Do you want cockroach? I think you want cockroach on your pizza. Yeah, that looks correct. Okay, now I make actual pizza. They call me Gordon Ramsay, bro. Easy. Now you want just sliced tomato on your pizza? Fucking weird. Yeah, that's definitely what she wants. Guess you just want sliced tomato. Ouch! Are you okay? Did I fucking kill her? What the fuck? Where did she go? Oh, making her pizza! One second. Gotta clean up around here a little bit. Is there like a rag or something? Like a towel? Nothing? Okay. Listen, ignore the dead corpse on the ground. You're back? Weren't you just here? Fuck, okay. I won't complain. A loyal customer is a loyal customer. Where's my thingy? Come here, give me. Like I said, just ignore the corpse on the ground. The pizza was so good it knocked her dead. It was too good. Why do I need that? They call me the best chef ever. I need to put sauce on it first. Fish head. What the fuck? Is it, what the fuck is happening, dog? Can I grab one of these? These look cool. Is that like, oh, whoa! It's pretty cool. Awesome. Not what I meant to grab. Give me the fish head. Stick it right in the middle. Okay. This is my new knife, because that's cool. Can I just wait, what does this do? Wait, rate us? Okay, I guess I'll rate you. What is this? Can I just... I can shoot tomatoes! Oh! I killed them again. Okay. I gotta stop killing my customers. Okay, what would you like today, madam? Some cockroach sauce? Wait, there's a lever right here. What does that do? Oh, it increases the flame. That's neat. Okay. Let's get cooking. Okay. You want cockroach sauce? Give me the cockroach. Cockroach. Now let's make the pizza. They call me it's called to be Gordon Ramsay. I'm the best Italian chef you'll ever see. What are these? What the hell are those? Is that an olive? No, maybe an olive. Alright. Want some wiener on your pizza? It's funny because it's a wiener. God, I'm fucking hilarious. Alright. Chop up this wiener. Okay, what now? You want mushroom? Give me the mushroom. Wow. Okay. In the oven you go. Alright, here's your pizza, ma'am. Okay. Close it, just because it's a surprise. Alright, give us a 5-star review on Yelp. Yep. What is green? Is that olive sauce? I must be in France or something, dog. Okay, olive? I guess this? I guess, bro. I guess, dog. Right, now the dough. What is this? This has had my attention. Is it like... Stupid. What does this taste like? Does this taste any good? I'm assuming I'm not supposed to kill them. Oh, you want 3 ingredients now? Oh, I shouldn't have drank that. Alright, give me an olive. Olive in the thing. Dough. Ignore the corpse on the floor. Okay. That's for decoration. That gives the vibe of... Man, this place looks cool. There's dead bodies on the floor. What now? Now you want sausage? I just farted in real life. Now what? You want an olive? Sir, you've already had like 2 olive related things on this pizza. Are you sure you want more? It doesn't. You just want a whole olive on your pizza. Okay, well, let's let this cook. Is there a way I can like clean or something? It's like really messy and stuff. Oh wait, is this how I clean? This looks like how I clean. I like to scrub. How's the pizza do? Oh, pizza's done. Alright, yeah, it's done. Alright. Here's your gross ass looking pizza, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Give us a 5-star review, please. I need this. My mom has cancer and it's terminal. Yo, hello there. Why the hell is your beard blue and why do you want cockroach sauce? Be right with you. Okay. Okay, what would you like, sir? Cockroach sauce? Oh, is it mushroom? Is that? Are they asking for mushrooms down here? What's I got to be on my floor? My Oculus just hit my desk. You want a mushroom, sir? Is this what you want on your pizza? He's nodding. Why the fuck is it green? That doesn't make any fucking sense. What the fuck is this game, bro? I'm not sure. Sure, you're good in that. Sure, fuck, I guess. What the hell is wrong with people in this country, bro? Where even am I? Where does this game take place? Am I in... What the fuck is happening, bro? I'm not paid enough for this, dude. I am a fucking architect, bro. But I'm stuck selling shit pizzas. So no one will get off their fat fucking ass and help me. Can I just put a whole pineapple on it? Oh, man. What the frick are these? Those little poops? Look, listen, man, I'm just as freaking... That's for the streets. Like my ex-girlfriend. You know those people that like do weird things while you're cooking, like looks cool. I'll put a clip right here. Why isn't it cooking? Siri pizza's not cooking. Can you like... There we go, that was weird. Give it a little something special. Alright, here's your pizza, sir. The fuck? No. Mother... You get... Where's my gun? Oh, you're back. No. Frick you. You said it was bad. No, you're banned from my place. Somebody that doesn't look like a dick. Can I, like, lobber it at him? Okay. My bad, sir. What's up? Olive sauce? Okay. You want... Or I can use the weird fucking mushroom on the floor. Or can I... What does the rat turn into? Give me it. Give me the rat. Give me the rat. My knees hurt. Give me the rat, please. Oh, fuck. That hurt my knees. Okay. Oh, fuck. I tried being cool. Alright. Alright, cook up your sauce, sir. Jared, I'm gonna be so honest with you. Dude, you need to give us 5 stars. I've had 3 murders. I've had 4 murder charges to my name. My mom has cancer. It's terminal. I'm dying. I have 1 kidney and 1 lung left. I'm gonna die in 5 years. I really need you to give this place a 5-star review on Yelp or some shit, dog. Oh, that's horrible. Okay, now I just stick 1 mushroom. Okay, now you want a fish. I'm sorry. Why are the fish just half dead? Why can't I just have the full fish? That makes no sense in my opinion. Fish head pie. It's a delicacy in the UK. This isn't the UK. I hope not. I hate British people. Alright. Actually, no, while this cooks, I'm gonna clean up. Actually, no, I'm a dad's character. Alright. Here's your... Sir, do you really want to eat this? Oh my god. You better like this, sir. This looks atrocious.
Mmm, yummy.
Good! Your voice does not match your face. Okay. Finally, someone with normal fucking sauce. Jesus Christ. Where's my roller? This is incredibly stupid. I'm just gonna be honest. This game is... I'm having fun playing this, but this is incredibly dumb. I hope this does good on YouTube, honest. I hope this performs well. Because, I want it to. Look, this is the content people will really sit down and watch, I guess, or do. What the fuck? What is the point of this? They don't give me no sauce. Bitch. Fuck you. Fuck you. What is the point of this gun? Hey, what do you want? I'm pissed off right now, so better be worth my time. What? Okay, let's grab the dough. What does this do? What is the point of this? What the fuck, dude? I enjoy myself. I love living. This game is really fun, though, for the record. If I'm gonna be honest, I'd be lying if I said I'd be having a bad time playing this, though. What the f... Oh, okay. What now? What do you want? Cheese? You want cheese? It's the most normal pizza I've seen all day, which says a lot. Stay. Stay. A really funny idea, okay? Okay, you know what? Fuck this. Fish head pie? Let's put it right down in the... Just gonna assume there's fish on it. Wait, there's like a baseball bat here too. What's the point of this? Do you want a baseball bat, madam? That's a sturdy ass. I don't think you should be eating this. You're able to take a hit from a baseball bat, and dude, I'm just not gonna question it. You know what? Take your fucking pizza.
Wow, wow.
Wow, wow. I'm glad you like it. Glad you like. Okay, a normal looking pizza. What the fuck? Dude, I fucking can't with this, dude. I can't with this shit. Is that a camera? Hi. Wait. I can. Oh wait, there's a camera this whole time. Hello. Hi. This is my vlogging channel. Where's my other? You see that guy right there? We're gonna make his pizza. It's my vlogging channel. Anyway, we ain't using this shit. What the fuck is this Gorilla Tag? Anyway, the sauce has been made. The dough. Can I can't. This is some sturdy dough. I'll be able to grab it and it does not break when I pull. Like, you can't see it, but like I am pulling against this dough. Okay, now we add the sauce. Please, for the love of God. Okay, I have an idea. Okay, we put the pizza right here. We put the knife. We grab the gun. I will slice your neck off. God, this is incredibly dumb. This is fun, though. I would be lying if I said I was having a bad time. Oh my god. Where am I? Ooh, wait, there's a little baby axe. Hold on. Was there like a name for this other than little baby axe? Guess not. No, sir, I'm having. Why is there just a fish here? What the fuck? Why is the fish just stuck there? This game is. I'm having the uplat. You know what? You want something? Don't. It's my secret recipe.
Yeah!
Awesome. Can I like wipe the fish off? It's a very, very sticky fish. Oh my fucking god. Making a wait. Can I like 1 second? Where's my tomato gun? This is my tank now. This is my canvas. What's that? Guys, are you gonna get a show and some food? Yeah, you thought you only came here for food. Now you get a show now. I just realized there's like no point to the lid. I don't even have sauce or dough out yet. Look at that. Look at that. Anyway, sorry. What's up, sir? You want your pizza? God, this is so dumb. I'm loving it, though. Can I cut the dough in half? I'm just curious. Okay, in reality, what the hell has this hammer done for me? I'm not a chef. I wouldn't know. But, like, what the hell has it done for me? Can I kill the... I'm so fucking pissed off right now. Dog. This is so dumb. What is the point of this hammer? I have the rat on the floor. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Yes. Have a little friend. Buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. Okay, you're gonna sit right on top of the oven. What am I doing now? Sauce? There's literally no point of having the lid. Now, cheese. Dude, you want cheese? You like cheese, huh? Cheese is pretty good. Can I cut up the cheese? Just do. I can. To make it look like a clock. What the fuck? Am I out of... Can't even grab it if I wanted to. Can I run out of ingredients? Well, fuck, if I knew that, I wouldn't be fucking around so much. Come here, cheesy. Placey, you get the clock special. Back in my day, it was called the cock special. This is fucking stupid. Oh, there's cock... I thought the... Okay. We will be serving, like... a few more customers, because this game's low-key making me lose my shit. How long has this been recording going on anyway? 30 minutes. Oh god, it's gonna do horrible on YouTube. Let it out of 6 feet tall. I need like why are all my baseball bat? God. Try to hit him. Oh, I guess that's not coming back. Yeah. Yeah, that shit ain't coming back. Okay, fish head right dab in the middle. Alright, here's your mushroom pizza, sir. Can I put the rat on it? Let the rat goes in the blender. 1 second. While that cooks. Sorry, buddy. It's been an honor. What the fuck? Can I just like ratatouille? Oh, okay. Here's your pizza. I got everything on it. You don't. You enjoyed that pizza. Hello? There you are. 1 second. I just kill people. I'll be okay down here. I just want to like make sure, dog. I don't want to like wait. I can just spawn camp them. No. Oh wow, this looks sad. Not as sad as the way that lady looked, but this just looks kind of sad to look at. That made me uncomfortable. Anyway, that's the rest of the video. Subscribe.